What is up, guys? It's Daniel and I am back with another video. I know I have been gone for a couple of months, but I am back. I'm going to be starting to upload videos and a bunch of other stuff. So let's jump right into this. Now, the task that I'm going to be doing with, what is his name again? Wild Evans, is the Ocean View Estate. Now, this one is a thing where you basically buy a house. So first thing we've got to do is call Rayon Estate Agents, which is right there. So that only takes 5 minutes. Now I've got the wife doing the weekly task and the baby's just hibernating because you get a bunch of egg off that. So yeah, I will call back in with you guys once he has finished that, and yes, we'll carry on with the video and hopefully you guys enjoy. If you don't, then please leave a like. If you do, then leave a like. Also comment on some other videos that I could do, and yeah, hope you enjoy. So I will see you in a second.